Hey guys, so something I've been wanting to do for quite a while now is get rid of the Comcast modem that I was renting from Comcast for. At one point it was $10 a month, and then I think it went up to $11 a month. And especially if you haven't upgraded that in a while, you're using outdated technology and slower speeds, etc. So I went out and bought this CM700 Netgear cable modem. This is just a modem. I have a separate router. Obviously, I'm sure many of you know that you can get a cable modem and router, but I already had the Netgear router. So this is a cable modem. This will actually connect directly to your Comcast. It has a coax connection. So if you see coax connection coming in, that's what's going to convert your cable signal, your internet signal on that cable line into usable internet. So this was about $109 at Fry's Electronics, and I was paying $11 a month for my Comcast modem. So it pays for itself in no time. I can tell you that this Netgear says it works with the Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox, among others, and it could not have been easier to activate that when I got it. In fact, I had less problems activating this than I did the actual Comcast modem when we first moved into this house. So they are not kidding. It's very, very effective and very easy to connect with Xfinity for sure. So this is a DOCSIS 3.0. Pretty new technology. There is, I think, 3.1 out there right now, but I think the latest Comcast router modem you can get is 3.0 as well. So, but in some cases you probably have 2.0, so this is capable of higher speeds, more channels, etc. In fact, there's the speeds. So anyway, so basically all you do is unhook your Comcast modem, and you're going to plug this guy in. So this only has one Ethernet port on it, a cable modem connection, or a coax connection, and the plug. And that's basically it on the back of that. It's very simple. That's it. You plug that in. You're going to hook the Ethernet port over to your router, to the main Ethernet port coming in. It's labeled. And then, depending on which router you have, however many ports that you have, this one happens to have 4 ports. And this is a Netgear AC1900, I believe, Nighthawk. And I have a 6,000 square foot house, and this gives me wireless throughout the house on all levels. So it is absolutely a fantastic router. That's really it. I highly recommend doing it. Highly recommend the Netgear. If you have Comcast Xfinity, connectivity was a breeze, and I actually took my Comcast modem back to Comcast and get a receipt for the equipment and make sure that they take it off your bill. So there is a delay in taking it off your bill, and in some cases I've heard that they don't actually take it off. So but again, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Small YouTubers unite. And if you have any questions, comments below, I'll try and answer them. But I'm sure other people will chime in as well. So that's my setup. I love it. I've had 0 issues since installing this, probably 4 weeks ago. Hasn't gone down once. It's been very reliable, and I absolutely love the setup. And again, I get wireless throughout a pretty large house with full coverage, and I find it much more reliable and much more later technology than what Comcast had. And you save $10-11 a month depending on what you're paying. Thanks for watching.